Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria. It is super early right now. It is 8 a.m. Usually I don't wake up this early, to be honest, but I have a driving scheduled for today and I want to get that done and over with as soon as possible. I am going driving with her for 2 hours today, and then I have 2 more hours the next time I see her. And then after that, I can apply for my G2. I already had my coffee today, so I'm kind of awake. I'm not super tired, but I will wake up a little bit more. I'm gonna drink some water after I finish up my coffee, and I will take you guys along with me today, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, I am back from my driving lesson. My face is all oily and I'm sweating like crazy. I was in the car there for 2 hours just practicing driving, and as you can see, I'm wearing a sweater. I did not know it was gonna be so hot. I very rarely check the weather, and I thought it was gonna be nice and a little bit cool because it was cloudy earlier. Now it's extremely hot, as you guys can see. But anyways, I'll see you guys soon with the recipe. I am so excited to see you guys today. It's been forever. I feel like I only see you guys on Mondays because that's when I post, but I want to start posting a little bit more often because during the week I do miss you guys. I know that sounds crazy, but at least I have somebody to talk to during the week. So today is Friday. I didn't plan a video, but I will make a video. So it's just gonna be basically just what I do throughout the day. I'm going to be making you something that you guys can try at home today. This will be my dinner. It's something called cauliflower rice stir fry. It's super simple, and it's not a lot of ingredients, so it's super easy. I am not a chef. This is just what I'm going to eat. Just a few simple ingredients, and you guys can try and make it, but you can also put extra stuff, less stuff, whatever you like. This recipe is interchangeable, so you can add anything you like. You can add more seasonings. For me, I honestly just use salt and pepper and chili flakes, something to give it a little spice. If you don't like spicy, take that part out, but usually I just season with salt and pepper, that's it. But you can add anything more to make it more delicious, whatever you'd like. So let's get started. I will show you guys that cauliflower rice stir fry. Okay guys, so I got the stove started. It's on medium heat. For my stove, that's a little too high, so I'm gonna put it actually on 3. And here are my ingredients that I have ready for you guys. I have some zucchini cut up, and under the zucchini is green peppers, and that's it for the veggies that I'm gonna use other than the cauliflower rice. Then I have a piece of sausage all cut up. It's kielbasa. It's like a Polish sausage. You can use any other protein or meat. I chose this because I have this. You can use chicken, or you can just go meatless, whatever you'd like. Then I have some eggs. So for the seasonings, I put salt, pepper, chili flakes, and paprika. And you're just gonna wanna mix that in and let it cook. So the vegetable mix has been cooking for about 5 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the sausage to that. So since as those other ingredients in the recipe are pre-cooked, I'm just gonna let the vegetable mix sit, saute a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients, and I will be right back. I got these little bags of cauliflower from Costco. It says to put them over medium heat until cooked through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that with the little mix I have, and then lastly I will add the egg. But for now I'm just gonna put this, and this, like, it doesn't have to cook for so long because it literally says 5 minutes in the microwave. You can use the frozen one that I got from Costco, or you can use fresh cauliflower. It's up to you. I just find this a lot easier, so let's go ahead. As you guys can see, the cauliflower starts to get a lot of water coming out. You can either drain that water or you can just leave it the way it is. I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my egg mixture. It's still super hot, as you guys can see. I will go ahead and give it a try. It is a little bit spicy, which I like, so that was really good. If you guys want to add more seasonings to it, you can. This way is perfect for me. You can sub the sausage for chicken if you'd like, but it's really good. I did add the egg mixture. All I did is I scrambled up the egg in the same pot. You can do it in a separate pot if you want, but it's just a little bit easier that way. And let me know if anyone tries this down in the comments. It's super good. Or if you guys have a recipe like this, always share with me. Tell me down in the comments. Okay guys, I just had my dinner. As you can see, it was super good. I hope you guys give that a try. Let me know down below. Also, like this video if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post a new video. I will see you on Monday with a new video.